That's where I'm going next year. Right here. BabyBird, when they had me hooked the fuck up. I really wanted when the niggas get behind me, you know, one of them type of things. Shout out to Karlous, man. You know what I'm saying? I had to hit him up, tell him, man, I got a 6'6", man, and I don't know what to do with it, man. We live here at BabyBird. You know what I'm saying? At the bird nest right here. You hear me? That nigga Daz. Now this is I say that I call it the blue phantom. You know what I'm saying? Little nice 383 in there, you dig? They gonna whip that thing up, put some more juice into it, new paint job. Y'all looking at it before it even gets started, you know? Because when I stop, they still spinning. You hear me? And that means I took off. Putting it together, man, you know, they gonna twerk this thing out. We gonna get the seats up in here, you know what I'm saying? We gonna redo the seats. Y'all looking at it before it even gets started, you know what I'm saying? We gonna redo the seats in blue rag. That box right there for my homeboy J-Lo. You know, a digital dashboard. You know what I'm saying? Carpet, super beat in the back. New paint job. You know what I'm saying? Gloss that thing at least 5 times. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna keep it just like that, man. This is the beginning and it ain't the end. You hear me? So all I gotta do is say, yes, sir. You hear me? Hands up. Well, this car right here, I used to live in Peachtree City. I was riding to Best Buy, going down, you know, them back streets going down Fairville, and this old white man had this car for sale. $3,800. And I had $5,000 cash in my pocket. But he said somebody else was trying to buy it. But you know, money talk and bullshit walks. You know what I mean? So I done had this car for at least about 21 years. Because I've been in Atlanta like 25 years, you know what I'm saying? So I had this car 21 years, redid it over. I still got the original tires at the house too, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a toy, you know what I'm saying? And they finna make the toy come alive. We're gonna put them switches on it and shit. Not too much for you niggas though, you know, I ain't finna crack my shit, but we're gonna put the switches on it. And we're gonna have some fun, and we're gonna be at the Rick Ross Car Show next year. You hear me? That's it? Hey, you know, I'll be working this shit, but you know, nigga, hey, I got a new